Hello everyone, I am creating this video for quick overview for block editor. So this is the playground dashboard and the block theme editor option where you can see the style, navigation, page, template, pattern. So a style you can set the typography, color, background, shadow, it is layout, so how much width and wide width, content width, padding, block spacing. This is the global setting for the layout and shadows. You can set the many things and custom also you can add the custom shadow. So it's the very basic global setting for the styling of the website for block theme. Then navigation for the this is the accurate creator get website like this is the first one. You can edit the front tag from here. All the page created page. Here the page, see the all page created here, so you can see the all page published schedule draft, like the all the page status option, like the publish this one schedule not available, but you can see the schedule post. So this is the page related things template. You can create the different tab like the archive page, blog page, home page, page with no title, different type of the page template for the different CPT or different page also. So these are all template and this is the active theme related templates. Also pattern you can use the preview list of the pattern already available on the WordPress site, so you can just copy and paste on the block editor. So let me show you how to quickly you can use this like these things on our block editor page. So this all options for the design the global in the block theme. So let's go to the page and show you the these things available on the block editor. So for example, I'm editing this one. So this page already built. So you can see that there's the most of the option available like the you can click here to see the paragraph heading, so codes, details. Most of the already inbuilt block option to use the our block editor, and also you can create your custom on here if you need, but this is the default one. So if you can see the click here, this is the heading option, this is the column. You can change if you want to change the heading to P or something like list, or you can change all the design from here. So like this, also the you can see the image. So this is the image option, so you can design like see the width height for the image, like the image, see the image, it you can see the alter tag, original ratio and everything. So this all the things also you can see the here the lots of the code block option. So if you need to see the row columns, if you want to add a new column, just also see the HTML overview. There you can write the custom CSS for individual pages. So lots of things going on the block editor, and it's very basic page structure is the blocks, groups, column and pattern. So if you need to use the pattern, just click here and select the, for example, I need to add the contact us. See there the already contact us button. So just click here the use. See ready made added the this section. If I need something like gallery, just click here and put any one of see gallery. Very quickly to use the block editor with the using the lowest of the ready-made pattern blocks. So this is the basic things for the block editor. If you have any question, then let me know. Thank